Bob Marley, One Love, One Life. The rhythmic heartbeat of Jamaica echoed in the hills of 9 Mile on February 6, 1945, when Robert Nesta Marley, or Bob, took his first breath. Born to Cedella Booker and Norval Marley, Bob's early years unfolded in the embrace of the verdant landscape. Yet, the absence of his father loomed large, a theme that would echo throughout his life. Raised by his mother, Cedella, in a small wooden house, Bob's childhood in 9 Mile was a dance with struggle. The community, vibrant yet impoverished, provided the backdrop to his formative years. As he navigated the challenges of poverty, Bob discovered solace in music. A makeshift bamboo guitar became his companion, and he harmonized with the tunes flowing from the local radio. Fate took a decisive turn when Bob encountered Joe Higgs, a local musician. Recognizing the raw talent within the young Marley, Higgs took him under his wing. The mentorship of Higgs became a pivotal force, nurturing Bob's voice and shaping his early musical instincts. In 9 Mile, where the pulse of reggae met the heartbeat of the people, Bob's destiny began to take shape. The influence of Rastafari, the spiritual and social movement that emerged in Jamaica, seeped into his consciousness. The fusion of music and spirituality laid the foundation for a journey that would transcend borders and genres. In 1963, the Symphony of Fate orchestrated a pivotal moment as Bob, along with childhood friends Peter Tosh and Bunny Wailer, founded the Wailers. Their mission, to weave the struggles and aspirations of the Jamaican people into the fabric of their music. The early tracks, especially the hit, Simmer Down, resonated with the pulse of the nation, addressing the societal challenges of the time. As the Wailers gained momentum, they became the voice of a generation seeking change. The trio's harmonies, coupled with Bob's soul-stirring lyrics, captured the spirit of a nation in flux. The music echoed the heartbeat of a people yearning for social justice, and the Wailers emerged as the torchbearers of this musical revolution. The mid-1960s witnessed the Wailers' music evolving, mirroring Bob's own journey of self-discovery. A sojourn in the United States exposed him to a diverse tapestry of musical genres. The immersion in rhythm and blues, soul, and gospel sparked a transformative fusion, expanding reggae's horizons. As the musical landscape broadened, the Wailers' sound transformed. The infectious rhythms and socially conscious lyrics resonated not only in Jamaica but also internationally. Tracks like One Love and Three Little Birds became anthems of unity, love, and resilience. By the early 1970s, the Wailers had transcended their Jamaican roots, evolving into an international sensation. Albums like Catch a Fire and Burnin' propelled them onto the global stage. The anthem, I Shot the Sheriff, reverberated worldwide, solidifying Marley's status as a symbol of resistance and freedom. The synergy within the Wailers, featuring exceptional talents like Aston Barrett and Carlton Barrett, elevated their impact. The marriage of reggae with rock and blues struck a chord, making the Wailers a global phenomenon. The iconic image of Bob Marley with his trademark dreadlocks and guitar became synonymous with the fight against oppression and the pursuit of equality. In 1977, the magnum opus Exodus unfolded, a sonic journey that transcended borders and genres. The album, featuring classics like Jamming and One Love, showcased Marley's ability to blend reggae with elements of funk, jazz, and rock. The pulsating rhythms, coupled with Marley's prophetic lyrics, became a rallying cry for those seeking freedom and redemption. Bob Marley's immersion in the Rastafari movement became more pronounced during this period. His life embodied the principles of Rastafari, emphasizing spirituality, social justice, and a connection to Africa. The iconic image of Marley adorned with the colors of the Ethiopian flag symbolized a global movement for liberation. Tragically, the journey of Bob Marley was cut short by cancer in 1981. However, his legacy endures as an immortal flame. The compilation album Legend etched his impact into history, becoming one of the best-selling albums of all time. Beyond music, Marley's influence extended to social justice and spirituality, leaving an indelible mark on generations to come. Thank you for watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video and don't forget to subscribe. Peace out.